Hey guys, it's Railfanning 220 here again. So I haven't done a running video for a while, so I thought I'd do one really quick. Not very long, and it's only 2 trains, but I thought it'd be interesting just to run a few trains and take some video of them. So the first train we have is a Canadian national train led by a single Dash 9. It's just a mixed manifest, and then we also have a Baretable train led by BNSF, Dash 8, 40 BW, 55, or 551, sorry. And I thought I'd just have a little fun. Both of the trains are solo unit trains, and I decided it'd be kind of fun to run the Dash 8 at about 70 scale miles per hour. Obviously these curves don't look very realistic with that speed, but I think it's kind of like a late 90s, early 2000s consist with the X Superfleet Dash 8 and some Baretables. So hopefully you enjoy. I went around the layout, a few different locations, and took some video of the trains running, and I think it's pretty cool. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.